Bro, why is it that microwaves suddenly become the loudest
Machines on Earth at
3 a.m.? Like during the day, they're all quiet and polite, but the second it's nighttime, they transform into a full rock concert. I'm over here trying to warm up leftovers like a ninja, pressing the buttons with the gentlest tap of my life. And the microwave is like, beep! Bro, chill. I'm not trying to alert the whole neighborhood. So now I'm standing there guarding the microwave like I'm disarming a bomb, watching the timer count down like, please don't beep, please don't beep, please don't beep. And of course, it hits 0 and screams like it's announcing the arrival of a new king. Beep! 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 I swear it echoes through the whole house, down the street, across the country. I grab my food and sprint back to my room like I just committed a federal crime. And the microwave sits there like, you're welcome.